Well, I've come to a very exciting looking stand, a very busy stand, Ingredion, and to tell us all about Ingredion and what's going on here is Rudiger. So to start with, very busy, lots of people, what's happening?
Good morning, everybody. Yeah, so we are very happy to have a very busy booth here. What's happening is here we are actually inviting our customers to come and visit us and really learn about the trends in the food industry and how we decipher the trends in the food industry to a number of good tasting and deliciously tasting and good looking prototypes.
Right, now before we dive into this little leaflet, you've got a little pamphlet here, tell us a bit about Ingredion, what do you do?
So Ingredion is really focused on delivering specialty ingredients to our customers in the area of starches, but then also moving beyond starches with proteins, protein concentrates, flours, as well as hydrocolloids.
Right, okay, now you mentioned trends. In here you've got a few trends written down. People are actually testing, they're trying the different products available. So you've got different trends written inside the leaflet. Talk us through the different trends and what you have, products that are available there to cover off.
So we have been looking into the trends in the food industry and really put them into these prototypes. So for example, in the health and nutrition side, we are talking about a high fiber flatbread that we showcase our resistant starch in, and then also some high protein falafel where we are using some Vitessence pulse proteins.
Proteins are very, very popular, aren't they, nowadays? People are always talking about, I must have protein, must have protein.
Yes, and that is exactly the case. So we do have all, products to offer in this area. Now the important part is, and we've done some consumer research on this one, consumer actually feel that by adding these proteins and the fibers, one thing that they don't miss is the quality and the good taste of the products. And that's something where they feel that in the past it has been missing a little bit. So we are really focused on delivering fiber or the nutritious ingredients to foods while maintaining the taste and the texture of the natural ingredient.
I was going to ask that actually. Is it a driving force? Is it taste that's led? Is it texture that's led? Or do you have to have both these components together to make something truly work?
It's definitely both. We've seen that over and over from customers. You can work on the taste, but if you don't have the flavor and everything together, it's really a combination of both. If one is missing, consumers might try it once, but they are often not trying it a second time. So it's really both.
Right, okay, so it's a double whammy, you need both.
Absolutely.
What else do we have then on the trends?
So another one that we have is on the clean and simple side is a product that we are showcasing to combine not only clean and simple label opportunities but also affordability. So offering manufacturers a way to reduce the costs, for example, in chicken, or also on the meat side, on the bottom end here, where we help customers reduce the meat in the burger, for example, by adding protein, again pulse protein, to substitute some of the meat, actually creating a nicer tasting product which is more succulent and overall with a better appearance and taste.
See, and the clean label, clean and simple, that's something that we're looking at a lot more, making food understandable for the consumers.
Absolutely, and it's very important that consumers actually really know where products are coming from, so it's very important that we provide information to customers and consumers, and they are often, we've seen that in our latest research, that consumers often change their purchase decision if they don't get the right information on the market and on the internet.
And of course, then when they tell their friends, it's easier as well to pass the information on if it's simple. Now, you got one more there, sensory. The sensory, that goes into every aspect of what you're eating, I suppose.
Absolutely, that's one of the biggest things. If the taste and the sensor isn't right, the flavor isn't coming across correctly. So it's very important as well that the texture is where it needs to be, spot on, and that really drives them purchasing decisions as well.
Absolutely. Now, at the beginning, I didn't announce you as award-winning, and there was a reason for that, and that's because at the Innovation Awards, you won an award. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yes. So we are very happy that we actually won the Clean Label and Natural Food Ingredients Award last night for a new product that we've been launching two months ago, and that is a multifunctional rice flour, which is combining the functionality of traditional rice flours with the added functionality of being high process stable and actually providing a very good storage stability. So by that we can actually enable now manufacturers of products with slightly more severe processing conditions to actually have a rice flour label on the side, on the back of the pack, with the benefits of providing or using a rice flour.
So overall, for you as Ingredion to win that award, what can it do for you? What advantages does it have?
It really means a lot to us. I mean, we've been working very hard to get this award. It will hopefully increase the interest into this new product category. We've just recently, like I said, launched the rice flours. We've launched rice starches about half a year ago. So we are really going more and more into the area of rice products. And again, that is addressing consumer trends and consumer needs in the market for non-allergenic ingredients and with a very clean flavor profile and a clean perception in the market from a label perspective.
See, so from your point of view, wherever there's a niche, you want to be able to fill it in that market there. So finally, FI Europe, why do you need to come here? What's so good about it?
I think it's very important for us to be here, simply to actually present our brand, to allow customers to understand more about what Ingredion is doing, and really showcase our innovation. And we've come through a very successful year this year by launching 14 new products, and it's very important for us to be out there and show this to our consumers and to our customers.
Fantastic. Now, you've told us all about the products here at Ingredion. If you are here today, come to the Ingredion stand, check it all out, and make sure you sample some of the goods they have on offer, which I haven't done yet, which is a travesty. They've got some over there lurking. I'm going to do that in a second, but Rudiger, thank you very much indeed. Thank you.